Global warming is a term used to describe the gradual increase in average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and its oceans, a change that is believed to be permanently changing the Earth's climate. Our understanding of the issue of global warming began in the late 19th century, when scientists started questioning the impacts of burning coal, as they understood it released CO2 into the atmosphere. That's why we think globalization has a negative effect on the world, because climate change and globalization go hand in hand, especially in Bangladesh, where they are seeing the harshest effects.
Bangladesh, the world's seventh most populous country, is highly vulnerable to the effects of sea level rise, including increased salinity of ground and surface waters. Sea levels are rising and glaciers are shrinking. Record high temperatures and severe rainstorms and droughts are becoming increasingly common. Changes in temperatures and rainfall patterns alter plant and animal behavior and have a significant impact for humans. Local sea levels rise as much as 1 inch per year have been recorded in parts of the delta. By 2050, scientists estimate that the sea level rise in the delta could directly affect more than 3 million people. Bangladesh could lose nearly 1/4 of the land area it had in 1989 by the end of this century. In worst case scenario, climate change-induced migration will lead to violent conflict in Bangladesh and the border-lying areas of India. Climate change will have an adverse effect upon the amount of agriculture produced within Bangladesh, as well as the possibility of destroying necessary infrastructure for people to live. Thus, people will be forced to migrate either within the borders of Bangladesh or to adjacent countries. This has the real possibility of creating conflict between India and the people of Bangladesh, as they are treated as second-class citizens and are often viewed as a threat. Furthermore, there have already been clashes between Bangladesh within their own borders when migration takes place, and people view the migrants as a threat to their livelihood.
Bangladesh is very aware of their situation with global warming and have had the time to create several foundations, such as the BCCRF, or the Bangladesh Climate Change Resilience Fund, also the Bangladesh Climate Change Strategy and Action Plan, or the BCCSAP, and also the Infrastructure Development Company Ltd, or the IDCOL, which helps with the infrastructure of Bangladesh and also helps develop clean, renewable energy. Other things that the BCCRF have done is that they have created a multi-purpose cyclone shelter construction project, which is supporting the construction of 61 new cyclone shelters and associated roads in the districts. Though these solutions seem like they have a lot under control, their chances of being relieved of anything global warming concerned are slim to none. With the issue of global warming, we all need to act as a community, as global citizens, and use all of our resources and work